Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you just saw, the battery in my key fob is running low, which means it's time for another how-to video. Before replacing the battery, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and new CR2032 lithium batteries. I went ahead and covered the tip of the flathead screwdriver with painter's tape so I don't damage the keys when I remove the cover. The key fob has two parts, the electronic key, which you see here, and the mechanical key, which I'll show you in a moment. The first step is to place the key fob on a flat surface with the Lexus emblem facing up. Next is to press this release button here on the side of the electronic key to remove the mechanical key. As you can see, there's an opening here on the electronic key. I'm going to insert the flathead screwdriver in this opening, slowly moving the screwdriver to the left and right to pry open the cover. Be careful not to touch any of the electronic components inside the key fob. Carefully place the small flathead screwdriver slightly under the battery, pushing the battery up. Insert the new battery with the positive terminal facing up. Place the cover back on. Insert the mechanical key. And that's it. It's really simple to replace the battery in the key fob. I'm going to go ahead and replace the battery in the other key fob. Let's fast forward and listen to some music. So as you can see, it's that simple to replace the battery in each of the key fobs. Let's go ahead and do a couple of engine starts and make sure we don't see that key battery low message. Alright, perfect. No key battery low message. I'm going to go ahead and try the other key fob. I didn't get the key battery low message on this key fob as well, so it looks like I'm good to go. So it's that simple to replace the battery in each of the key fobs. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for future content. Until next time, I'll see you at the next video.